Junior, class of 2013, and of course our commencement address, Representative Wesley T. Bishop, Louisiana House of Representatives, District 99.
Good morning, Dr. Hicks, Dr. Moore, Board President Ms. Young, Friends of King School Board, Representative Wesley Bishop, staff, family, friends, and the class of 2013. My name is Patricia Mayer, and I am proud to stand in front of you as the salutatorian. I have attended Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Charter Senior High School for 5 years. I would like to welcome you to our commencement program. To our parents who were shocked by our drastic personality changes as we came of age. To our siblings who didn't understand why we wouldn't allow them to tag along. To our teachers, administrators, and supporting staff, we will learn to appreciate you more as time goes on, and we become principals, teachers, nurses, social workers, and other professionals. To our maintenance and security staff, who always kept the school clean and safe. I thank you all for being in attendance and for your support throughout the years. To my classmates who shared in some of the most fun, tiring, frustrating, and rewarding experiences a teenager can have, I greet you in the spirit of respect and pride. Respect for having completed the necessary requirements to be a high school graduate. We are proud and recognize that we will go down in history as a class worth waiting for and second to none. Most of us would agree that the days we spent in high school were certainly the best days of our lives. It was in high school that we made our first friends, competed to excel, hoped for places in the sports team, and learned our first lessons about life. Being at King School really makes you feel at home. A home away from home, some of us call it. I remember every day like it was yesterday, some days better than others. We went through so much over the years, but we have met pretty awesome people and friends. I also met my best friends here. One graduated last year, and I'm graduating with one this year. It was tough, but I am proud to say, along with my class, that we are graduating this year. Now we're on to bigger and better things. As I conclude, I'd like to share a quote from President Barack Obama. Making your mark on the world is hard. If it were easy, everybody would do it. But it's not. It takes patience, it takes commitment, and it comes with plenty of failure along the way. The real test is not whether you avoid this failure, because you won't. It's whether you let it harden or shame you into inaction, or whether you learn from it, whether you choose to persevere.